Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Zilliqa the last 1 hour. What's changed occur in the Zilliqa in the last hour. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and hit my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the Zilliqa live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's changed occur in the Zilliqa price in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, that is the last 1 hour result of Zilliqa in the crypto market. As you can see here, first of all we look the chart of Zilliqa cryptocurrency. So it's falling down. It's clear the Zilliqa the crypto is falling down in the last 1 hour. That is the live price prediction, the changes of the Zilliqa in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, now let's see the price of Zilliqa in the market of last 1 hour. The price of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour is $0.17099 is the high price of Zilliqa in the last hour. Now let me see the change of Zilliqa in the cryptocurrency in the last 1 hour. The change of Zilliqa in the last 1 hour is negative 0.39% occur in the cryptocurrency market, as you can see here. So it is clear that Zilliqa cryptocurrency is fast down in the previous last 1 hour result you are watching now. It's fast down in the last 1 hour. So it's the best time to sell it and make sure and be safe from loss. As you can see here, it's falling period of Zilliqa cryptocurrencies. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and update about Zilliqa cryptocurrency.